discussing insurance with our guest attorney Baskin Jones from Jones Law Group in Jackson.
And so how do I save money on my insurance? That's one way, is to get different quotes, but are there other ways that I can try to save money on insurance?
It is a sliding scale, in my opinion. In what I do, there are some insurance companies that I interact with that their way of valuing a claim is completely at odds with how normal people would think about an injury or about damage to your roof in a hailstorm. And there's some real horror stories out there about insurance companies and bad behavior. So you don't necessarily want the cheapest option all the time. And there are ways that you can make sure to protect yourself while still having good coverage. So I would say we actually have some forms for this on our website at injuredinmississippi.com. And the forms give you a step-by-step process to go through this process of contacting multiple agents. You black out all of the information about how much you're currently paying, but they will give you identical quotes for the insurance that you have, and you will see, I think, much better prices than what you've used to pay.